Your team bought the licenses, did the training. 6 months later, half of them are back to the old spreadsheet. Sound familiar? Here's why. 95%, that's 95. 95% of AI pilots deliver no measurable return. And it's not because the tools don't work. Meanwhile, over 90% of employees are already using AI on their own, personal tools, just not the ones their company paid for. People aren't rejecting AI, they're rejecting yours. AI adoption is not a technology problem, it's a behavioral problem. And behavioral problems have a science and a solution. This course is 6 modules built entirely on that science. Why AI adoption fails even when the tech works. What people say versus what they do. The psychology of resistance. Cross calibration. What managers actually do that works. And how to engineer the environment for change that lasts. This isn't a course you watch, it's one you actually use. You'll leave with a real diagnosis of why your own team is resisting, a trust calibration checklist for the tools you already use today, and a finished action plan, not a to do list, but a plan you can actually run and use. The behavioral science of AI adoption 6 modules, 15 videos, one real habit that outlasts the pilot. Enroll now.